My name is Yuze, and yes, I know you're probably thinking Yuze sounds a little like user. Well, today the constants come in handy because we are diving into user stories and use cases for how to navigate easily in Confluence. If you are also working for a company like me, which has a rich product portfolio, we have more than 6 focused apps, and for each app, we also have different versions, different hostings, so that really generates a lot of documents that are created by different teammates. I know some people may often use the search bar in Confluence, but for me, it's not very convenient because it only shows the recently viewed pages when I want to search for the products, and the documents really looks a little bit chaotic for me, especially I want to see like multiple products. So what I always use is this navigation menu, which can be customized based on my needs. You can see that I have created different menu items for different products, and within the products, I can add some internal links, external links, also documents from other spaces. And I really love this feature where you can add the Confluence queries. Then, for example, I want to see what's the recent modified documents that I have made changes in, so I can just quickly go there and see, continue working on the documents that I haven't finished. So this is my favorite feature, and I also quite like that I can just change the color based on my needs as well. For example, today I really want to change to a color that match my shirt color. Let's change to purple. Yeah, and then you change here. And for the different product versions, I also created, for example, these releases for that happened this year. Then I can just have quick access to different releases of the new features. And within different new features, then maybe there are different documents that I need to access. I can also add new items. So there are different levels of menus that I can also edit here. But it's also amazing is that you can also use a query to customize this menu, this sub menu, maybe to be like if there are new release pages that are related to SubSpace, then it can be automated add to this sub menu. Then you don't need to manually add new items. I really like this feature. And I also created this submenu that is like contains the pages which are recently modified and contains the keywords of Subspace. For example, I have created this page. Like normally I would forget the names of the Confluence pages because we create so many Confluence pages per day and giving them different titles. So it's normal that we forget the titles. But with this feature, then it will just automatically display the recently modified page. Then you made it so easy to just find the page that I want to navigate to. So basically, I'm using SubSpace Navigation to create these customer menus, and within different Confluence pages, I'm using this app called Navitabs to navigate. Basically, it looks like the bookmarks that we are used to, except we can also customize the color, the styles, not only horizontal, but you can also make it look like a vertical that really looks like some notebook marks that we're used to. Here you can see I have already created different tabs called installation, configuration that's relevant to the user guide. And it's really easy to configure this macro. I just click the edit here. And then I can change the layout. Maybe I want to display this as the vertical tabs. And I can also add some icons. And you also support different content, maybe iframe or HTML code. This is already a menu that I have saved earlier. If I want to create a new tab design, then I can choose a new color. You can also see there are different type of designs that are saved. This is the app default design. And if you're used to the Confluence tabs, it also has the different looks. Here is the SubSpace Navigation color that I have changed. It's very detailed. You can choose different templates, how you want it to look like. I personally like this better. And then you can also choose the font color, the border color, and even the corners. And it pays a lot of attention to details. And this is why I also like this app a lot. So yeah, that's how I organize and navigate contents that belongs to the same category.